Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one over the past couple of days, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So let's map out some levels of support and then talk areas of resistance. And on this one, there's really two main technical levels that really stand out to me. First level from the support side of things is down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.80. $2.80, if you go through the history, including back here on Monday, you can see that price ultimately found some great support right there. And then you fast forward to today and late morning, early afternoon, you can see that once again that level was tested and it held strong. So very clearly, $2.80, a very straightforward level of support. One of those areas that a whole lot of people have taken notice of and will be watching. And I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. So that's what that 280 mark is representing going forward. Just one of those areas of support where from the technical point of view, a lot of people are going to be watching it. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the dynamic here that's very intriguing is this trend line right here. Sure, if you get out this gap location from this morning, which turned out to just be a gap and trap with the price gapping way up there and then completely pulling back. So if you take that data point out, you can see that this level has done a very methodical way of just illustrating the selling pressure that currently exists in the stock. So if there is any sort of chance at all of this thing making, I'm not saying going back up to $7 or something like that, but any sort of worthwhile bounce and potentially, in the bigger picture, overall reversal, then it all starts with this trend line right here because again, that's representing the selling pressure. And, the first step in getting things turned around would just be, getting enough selling pressure out of the way, which would be represented by a trend line break of that. So keep your eye on those couple levels going forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.